Hey there! Today I have my July Mix and Matchbox to unbox. Well, actually, I'll be honest, I actually already unboxed it. I got it yesterday and I just couldn't wait, and the lighting was bad. I just really wanted to see what I had. I've been doing Mix and Match for, I think this is my fourth Take a Chance box, and I did a Go For It box the first time, and I really do like it. And I've been really happy with what I got. So hey, the suspense was killing me, so I couldn't resist. So I did open it up. But anyway, if you're not familiar with Mix and Match, it is another one of those online styling services similar to Stitch Fix, where you have a personal stylist send you clothing based on a style profile that you complete online. And what's different with Mix and Match, they do have two different boxes. One is the Go For It box, which is more similar to Stitch Fix, and the other one is called Take a Chance box, and that's the one I do. I'll put a link up above to one of my earlier videos. Plus, I'll put information in the description box along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. So the box that I'm getting is called the Take a Chance box, and it's a very discounted box. So basically you pay a flat upfront fee of $105.99, but you get up to 4 items of clothing with a retail value of at least $175. So that's a really good deal. And so far, the first 3 boxes I really liked, and I thought it was an excellent deal. And spoiler alert, this box is no different. So my stylist is Alexis, and she's been my stylist for every single box, and I really do feel like she does an excellent job. Actually, last month I got all dresses because she knows that I love dresses, and I really do love ghillie dresses. So this month I got 4 ghillie dresses. Okay, so the first dress of 4 is this dress, and like I said, they're all actually by Ghillie, and they're all a size medium. So this one is the black and burgundy dress featuring an overlapping V neckline, cap sleeves, a waistband, and open back detail, like that. And it has a very pretty, it has a mosaic print, and it has this interesting border, and I thought it was pretty nice. I think, you know, it kind of looks scary, you know, this neckline, but I know I have a similar dress that I got from Golden Tote, and it was fine. And the next dress, my next ghillie dress, is this one. And it's a very pretty lavender color. This one says it's a lavender A-line dress featuring an overlapping neckline. So it's kind of like a faux wrap. And 3/4 sleeves. So it's a very nice knit material and a pretty print. And the retail on this is $44. Okay, next is another ghillie dress. And, you know, just perfect for work. It says it features a scoop neckline, 3/4 sleeves that are actually bell sleeves. Not too crazy bell though. And has a pretty floral fabric. And I noticed it also has like a ruffle at the hemline. But yeah, very cute. And these are knit dresses. So I love knit dresses because I think they're more comfortable. And that one was $44 also. Okay, and the last dress, it's the only one that's kind of different. It's not my usual. It has these thick straps, and it's got a window pane print, and it's navy. It's also a knit, but it's more of a thicker fabric. So this one is the Ghillie Navy A-line dress featuring a sweetheart neckline, thick shoulder straps, cinched waist, pleated skirt, and a geometric square print. And this one actually retails for $50. So it is the most expensive. Okay, so the total for my box of 4 dresses, retail total was $178, but again, I only paid $105.99. Okay, anyway, that's all I got for my July Mix and Match. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first dress, and I think it's a very nice work dress. It has a very pretty print. And it's kind of more like, I think the colors are more for fall. And I guess maybe that's what it is. They're just getting more fall colors in. Because this is, I think it's a new style. But yeah, I like it. It fits. And it's just perfect for work. And I'm pairing them. These are shoes I got in my, they're from Clark's, and I got them in one of my shoe hauls. My shoe haul, period. And they are super comfortable. I don't know if they're the most attractive shoes in the world, but they are super comfortable. I've been wearing them a lot. But yeah, I like it. Okay, so here is the lavender dress. And I think it's very cute. It's a really soft material and it has kind of that wrapped front. And I think it'd be very nice for work. It's a really pretty print. I don't have anything lavender. And yeah, no, I think it fits nicely. And another nice work dress. Okay, I hear my dogs are coming back from their walk. Okay, here they come. In case you're wondering where my dogs were. Kaya! Oh, there's Daddy! Oh, she didn't care. Kaya! Oh, they went right to the food bowl. Oh, there's Kaya. Hi, Kaya! Hi. Okay, she likes me. Okay, so this is the next dress. And it has bell sleeves. It's a little more fitted than the other one, but I think it's pretty. It has a kind of a flouncy skirt. Yeah, I think it's very cute. Definitely more for fall. But yeah, so you can see the print. Okay. What do you think? Nice? No comment. Okay, and here is the last dress. And you know, it is a cute dress. I think sizing wise it's a little big, which is odd because all of these dresses are from Gilly and they're all the same size. But so if you're interested in this dress, just keep in mind that it seems to run a little big. But I mean, I don't know. It's still, I think I could probably like just take it in and it'd be cute. But we'll see. Or I might consider if there's somebody who might want it. But I kind of like it. And I'm just going to see how it looks with a white jacket. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Anyway, that's what I got in this month's Mix and Match box. So what can I say? Another box of dresses, and this time it was all Gilly dresses. So I really did love, I think, at least 3 of the dresses. And I did like this window pane dress. I'm going to just have to see if maybe I might have to alter it a little. I noticed that the straps, they're not adjustable, but it looks like it would be easy to like sew this. I do have a sewing machine, but we'll see. But anyway, and just to FYI, I will put what I got in the description box, and I'll also put the merchandise code, so in case you see anything that you want to request to your stylist, then that'll hopefully make it easier for you to do so. Yeah. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of these unboxing videos, mostly clothing and also some shopping hauls. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.